Hello, we are Realty MLC located in Gresham, Oregon. We are solving the housing crisis by partnering with world-class makers of modular solutions of tiny homes.
Folding flat-pack container houses offer significant advantages in transportation and logistics. Because they can be folded down to a fraction of their full size, multiple units can be shipped together, greatly reducing freight costs and allowing efficient large-scale deployment. This makes them an ideal solution for projects that require fast delivery to remote or high-demand areas. Combined with low maintenance and long service life, folding flat-pack container houses. Durability and safety are also strong advantages. The steel frame construction, insulated wall panels, and weather-resistant materials ensure the house performs well in harsh environments while providing reliable shelter. Deliver a cost-effective, versatile, and sustainable building solution.
The possibilities are truly endless. Homeowners can turn their backyard into a cozy rental for a family member or a person in need of housing, or even build a vacation home or cabin on raw land. For those looking to start a business, there's also an option to create a restaurant, shop, or any other kind of establishment.